presenting for Siyensikula. Buckle up as we converse through the classifications of kinematics. What is kinematics? Right. Kinematics is a subfield of physics developed in classical mechanics that describes the motion of points, bodies, objects, and systems of bodies without considering the forces that cause them to move. Kinematics as a field study is often referred to as geometry of motion and is occasionally seen as a branch of mathematics.
What is the purpose of studying kinematics?
The goal of study of kinematics is to develop sophisticated mental models that serve to describe and to ultimately explain the motion of real-world objects.
Kinematics aims to provide a description of spatial positions of bodies or systems of material particles, the rate at which the particles are moving, which is velocity, and the rate at which their velocity is changing, which is acceleration. Kinematics is also used in astrophysics to describe the motion of celestial bodies and collections of such bodies.
The following images that is going to be flashed on the screen are key points for you to have a quaint grasp of what kinematic is all about.
Delta equals change equals final minus initial, which comes to the conclusion F minus I. X stands for distance or displacement, V for velocity, A acceleration, and T for time. These are the four units to look for in kinematic equations. Below are the kinematic formulas and units and its missing parts. Below are the alternative formats for above equations and projectile motion, and finally, kinematic trigonometry.
And lastly, these are the types of kinematics and its equations.
So that concludes our explanation. We hope we clarified some of your questions regarding kinematics. As our conclusions comes to an end, let us introduce ourselves properly. Adrian Guing Asuncion.
Sarah Limos, Princess May de Guzman. Again, we are Group 8 from Grade 9 STE Curie, presenting for Siyensikula. Arrivederci!